You may already know this design. This is our well-known Makaha design. This board, we call it the Makaha. This board is extra stiff and has one layer more of Canadian maple built in. So we have 6 layers of Canadian maple plus the 2 layers of bamboo on the top. Otherwise, this board is exactly the same like our Makaha signature series. We made this board because a lot of people like stiffer cruiser boards. There's also people amongst us that have a few more pounds. For them, all the other boards were just simply too flexy. So what we did is we went along with their demands and we built a thicker board for less flex. Otherwise, the board is the same like all the other ones. We have our 78 AE cruiser wheels for extra great grip and a good experience on rougher tarmac. So that's the same. Our clear grip, our signature logo on the top with the laser design, it's also the same. So this is our Makaha, the stiff cruiser.